Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the members area here, which I can't get into because someone's changed the password. This happens all occasionally, you know, so as I'll show you, right, so I get to sign in because I'm a JV here, and I should be able to get in. I've got the email address and password, but look what happens. You see, so incorrect. So someone's changed it. That's how it goes around here. Sometimes that's how it is, you know. I don't know why that is, but that's been changed. So, okay, so I'll go to the my bonus page now, because I always start off with the members area, but I can't get into that. So, when it loads, unfortunately, it's being a bit slow today. So, come on, computer, wake up. Let's do this. It's not playing the game. There we go, there it is. So here we are. This is what we're doing today. So it's Cartoon Creator. So I would have been able to tell you that with the if I'd have been out. Well, it was on the page anyway. So Cartoon Creator is what it is. Yeah. So award-winning 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited world-class animated videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. What is it? Along with millions of ultra HD video templates. So you see, you've got 1 day with that. So I mean, there's not much left. That's probably why it's closed off. But I don't really worry about that. So, so what is Cartoon Creator about? Well, we'll soon find out, won't we? Cartoon Creator is an advanced 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche. Here are the unique features of Cartoon Creator. So obviously that's how that is. So we can go through it if you want. Get instant access to one-click AI Cartoon Creator app, professional 3D characters and video generator cloud-based platform. No need to pay any monthly fee anymore for any video apps. Now you can generate unlimited unique 3D cartoon characters for all your projects. 100% or AI based platform, beginner friendly, no skills required, inbuilt image to cartoon converter tool, extra royalty free assets with no copyrights. Get thousands of HD video templates, commercial license included, no limitations, completely free. Sell unlimited assets and videos to your clients. Unlimited one-click download, inbuilt advanced video editor, and many more. So prices and upsells. Here we are. Go here. Here they are. Front end Cartoon Creator $17. Access to powerful Cartoon Creator and software and training modules. Upsell number 1, unlimited. So that's where it's unlocked. So you get unlimited use. The next one is, of course, upsell number 2, which is agency. Well, unlimited is $32, so agency is $47. Well, that's when you have an agency, I guess. So upsell number 3, done for you, set up. So this is where it's done for you. So that's $197. Upsell number 4, Fortune 500, $39, and upsell number 5, which is reseller rights, which is $97, which means that you get the complete funnel, right, to sell as your own and get the commissions across the whole board. So you get all of the money that's in that funnel, right? So not just some of it. Okay, so that's what that means if you get you get the reseller rights. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Professional 3D character and video maker, cloud-based platform, generated unlimited unique 3D cartoon characters for all your projects, inbuilt video image editor, 100% based platform, 100% AI based platform, inbuilt image to cartoon converter tool, extra royalty-free assets with no copyrights, commercial license included, get thousands of HD video templates, sell unlimited assets and videos, yes, that's it, and earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required, unlimited one-click download, completely free, inbuilt advanced video editor, $200 refund if it doesn't work for you. So, well, they're putting their money where their mouth is. That's a really good one. So, I guess that's just that you know, they're giving you the opportunity to find out whether or not this works or not. And if it don't work for you, they'll give you them $200 back. So that's really good. So there you go. There's something you can look forward to at least. Right. So it's now. What's next? So I got to try and pull this down. I'm having trouble. So it's just the way it is. At the moment, I'm in trouble. You know, there's something. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. There we go. We got the damn thing. Okay. All of this is covered by No Questions Asked 30-day money back guarantee. Of course. Watch the demo video of Cartoon Creator. Okay, we'll do that. Just I know what this is going to be. It's just it's really you know, this is really badly done. But anyway, never mind. Yeah, that's how it is. This is badly done. See, this is a lazy person who don't want to put somebody on here who narrates, who tells you and shows you what to do, right? This is what lazy people do, right? They put music in there and it stink, you know. It doesn't tell you anything, it doesn't show you much, you know. And they think that their client's going to buy from them when they do this. This is not the correct way to do it, sorry. So, you know, there you go. That's how this is, right? Now, I can continue on with that, but you're not going to understand what the hell's going on. See? Men, family, female outfits, you know, I mean, so I'll run through it, but like I said, you know, so we got, oh, here we go, you got your images, I guess you can do what you want with them, there you go, images with cases, family, female, male. Well, what I call a policy enforcer, actually, for the corporation that calls itself government. Yeah. So here we are with the templates here. Images, templates. It's just, I guess it's just copy and paste, mix and match. But this is not that great, you know. You don't know what, I don't know what's, even I don't know what's going on here. It's not very good. Let's see what happens. See if that makes any difference. It probably doesn't. So you're making an ad now. That's the end of that. Wow, you know, that was quick. You know, that was real quick. Now I've got a problem with getting out of it. Oh no, I haven't. No, we're out of it now. So there you go. So there's the video on that, which was pretty shady, but not really that great. But anyway, get Cartoon Creator now and get all these bonuses below. Bonus number 1, $427.95 is the High Ticket Mastery by Brendan Mace. So, and in order to get into this, there'll be a form when you click on it. Form will come up. You have to fill in your email address and create a password. You fill that in twice, and then you submit it, and then you can actually log in using the email and the password you created. Okay, so that's and this is about high ticket, right? So this is about high ticket products, how to sell them, where to get them from, you know, what to do with them, what are the best high ticket products you can get, and all that kind of That's what it's about, all that juicy stuff, alright? That's high ticket. So, course, and here we go with the next one, which is bonus number 2 at $46.95, which is content creation hack. And that's a video by John Armstrong on email, where he shows you how he interacts with his email, either the hard way or the easy way through easy way through software. Hard way, he tells you that way, the manual way. Okay, so he shows you in that video. Okay, bonus number 3, value $344.95, Gemini. Now Gemini is another email course where you have to where a form will come up and you have to fill in the form, put in your email address and create a password. Once you've done that, you'll be able to submit it, and then you'll be able to click again and then log into Gemini, which is all about email, all the juicy stuff about email, you know, squeeze pages, how to create an email, autoresponders, and how to, you know, sign up for autoresponder, all that kind of stuff to do with email. All right. So, and that's what that one's about. That's Gemini. Okay, so and then you've got the next one, which is access to bonus number 4, which is value $267, which is the Fuego breakout, and this is another course, and this one's to do with Instagram. So the same thing, right? You've got to fill in the form and create fill in the form with your email address and create a password, submit, and then log in with your newly created email address and password, and then you'll be in. And this is all about Instagram and all about influencers, how to contact them and how to get them to do a shout out for you. So that's what that's about and how to go about that. Alright, so that's what that's about. So and we'll go down to the next thing. Okay, the next thing is the bonus number 5, which is to take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. So you haven't got long, so only a day, that's it. So get on off your ass and get on with it. And there it is. It's that. And that's my bonus page. So we'll go to the sales page now and have a look at that. I'm Tony Maynard, the creator of this bonus page. Okay. Now, this is here it is here. Buy now. He wants you to buy now, but you see, once you go up here, you get a $5 discount on this one. So, which is awesome. You know, that's quite a bit. So, yeah. I don't know where the cursor is for that, but anyway. So I've got a problem now. Another problem, but that's how it is. You know, you got to. Right, here we go. No, that won't work either. Where is the damn thing? Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. You got to do this first. Okay, cool. Oh, you silly boy. Honestly, you know, it's just getting confused here. Anyway, sorry about that. So this is about this this creator here, which I read this on the bonus page. You get instant access to this world first AI. You know, so you can read that on your own. There's a video. You know, this is just a standard, like I said, a standard video page, so you can go through that. You know, same old stuff. Same old. You know, there's your proof, your stuff of you know, money and all that kind of stuff. Whether it's real or not is I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, so it's really hard to actually do this. Yeah. So I'm pulling this down. Yeah. And it's just a standard page, like I said. Yeah. And you've got some more here, more things. So it's what? One low price, $16.95. So you get it goes down from $16.50 down to $11.50. So there you go. Yeah, with the pop-up. So, and then there's some more testimonials, and they're using the characters that are in this program to show off their see, there all they are. Look, those are the characters. that are within the program, so they're using them instead of other things. So, which is good, you know. So they're showing you what this thing is capable of. And there we are, Venkatesh and Vesasius, and that's who that is. And these are the guys who created this. So pretty good. If you're into that kind of stuff. Right, so cartoon creator, so that's it. You can be a cartoon expert in no time. Yeah, with this, so it's cheap as chips, $17, less than $5, so $12 you might as well say. You know, go down to here, you know, there's probably bonuses here and stuff, I suppose. But then you've got the example, see, there's videos there you can look at if you want on the sales page. So, and that's about the size of it, you know. So there's a lot to it, but, you know, there's a lot to learn. But that's all right. So you just got to get into it. So here we go with the bonuses. Bonus 1, apps creator, and bonus 2, puzzle profits. Bonus 3, elevate. Bonus 4, bonus 4, bonus 4. 100k traffic, Facebook group, stock hub, and so on. There's my character there, and you see this is it's just a standard bonus page. So today only one time $69.59, less than $5 if you got it. So there's your timer as usual, 30-day money back guarantee, like I said, and it's just a one-time price. So there you go, and that's the end of that. And add to cart, and that's it. That's the end of that. That's the end of the sales page. And the members area, well, like I said, that's all I can get. And there you go. Email ID and password incorrect because it's been changed. And that's welcome back to Cartoon Creator. Someone's changed it, so it doesn't work anymore. So that's how that is. Sometimes that happens. Anyway, we'll go back to the sale, my bonus page, and show you what you'll get when you purchase this through my link. Right, so what you'll get is you'll get High Ticket Mastery by Brendan Mace, and you'll get Content Creation Pack, the video by John O. Armstrong. Then you'll get Gemini, the email course, and then you'll get Fuego Breakout, which is an Instagram influencer course, and then you'll get if you take action today. Well, then you will get all the vendor bonuses as well, plus all the bonuses. So, and how to get access to this, get your copy of Cartoon Creator? Well, you can click on any one of these reddish buttons here. See them here? These reddish buttons there. You click in on any one of those, right? And then you will be taken to the sales page. So it says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. That's right. You go to the sales page. You pick up either the front end or the one-upsell, and then you get to access all the bonuses here, and you can get access to this bonus page on YouTube, on my channel, on the YouTube video, in the in the description and in the first comment as well. So you click on that, and you can get access, and then you can buy your copy of Cartoon Creator. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Get your copy of Cartoon Creator today and become a cartoon creator, and use this in any of these animations in your promotions, and you know, stand out from the crowd, be a bit different. Okay, so I'll say, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video. So get your copy today of Cartoon Creator, and thank you for watching, and bye for now.